Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Monza wig from the Wille Modixx collection. This is a beautiful mid-length synthetic fibre wig with lovely layers and a little fringe at the front. So I'm just going to flip this cap inside out so you can take a closer look. So as you can see, you've got a lovely long lace front stretching across the forehead of this wig. So this will give a really natural appearance, looking like the fibres are growing straight from your head. You have mostly wefted on top with a portion of monofilament at the crown there, so you can see through it again, looking like the hair is growing straight from your scalp. On the rest of the cap here, you've got open wefts with a lovely stretch to it, so very comfortable, very breathable, and will allow for excellent airflow. You've got your little Velcro tab adjusters at the back there to ensure you can get a perfect fit, and the metal stays in the ear tab to make sure that your wig is staying in place and then nice and comfortable all day long. So I'm just going to pop the wig on now so that you can see what it looks like. So just flipping it over and adjusting it from the tabs on the ear there. Give it a little brush so it's all sitting in the right place. So as you can see, it's a really fun mid-length style. You've got that full fringe running across the fringe there. You've got 30 centimeters of length from the crown and 10 centimeters of length from the nape there. This is in the colour Ivory Blonde Tipped, so it's got a lovely sort of ombre effect where the tips of the hair are lightened. Just looks like you've been playing around in the sun. So this is the shade Dark Sand Tipped. So again, you've got that lovely sort of ombre effect, lots of beautiful dimension and movement to it. It's a really pretty sort of brunette colour with those blonde highlights running through. So this is the final shade I've got to show you, and this is Dark Chocolate Tipped. So a lovely sort of deep brunette colour, almost has sort of warmer tones running through it, and it's slightly lighter at the ends. So I'm going to do a little 360 so you can see what the Monza wig looks like from every angle. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Monza wig from the Wille Modixx collection. It is a beautiful mid-length synthetic wig with that lovely fringe section there. All the colours that come are tipped, so they all have that lovely sort of lighter end and ombre effect to them. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to check us out over all social medias at Judy Plum Wigs. You can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Make sure to check out the other wig reviews on the channel and head on over to the website to learn more about the other great styles that Judy Plum has available at the moment, with some amazing customer reviews and the best prices.